Welcome to New Roots Hair Clinic, Dhaka. So today we are discussing an interesting topic about receding hairline. Once you have entered your 20s, most of the patients who are among the age 23, 24, 25 till 30 are facing receding hairline in very early ages. There are many reasons for the receding hairline. Main reason that is digestive hormone, which reduces the thickness of your follicle, and then slow by slow male pattern baldness starts. So receding hairline is visible in your stage 2, stage 3 baldness, and it's very embarrassing in your early ages when you are in college, when you are learning, or when you join your duties. So let's discuss a testimonial client who is just 25 years old. His name is Fahim.
Yes.
So he was having a receding hairline problem. You can see here his corners hair are gone. So he's feeling little bit nervous, and in his college days, just he has joined. He's a good freelancer and he works very hard. So he felt that in this early age, it's really embarrassing. So many of them try with minoxidil, finasteride, derma roller. Yes, that treatment is good at some extent, but not successful all the times. Yes, it can arrest your progression, that is from stage 2 to stage 3, but definitely it cannot generate the new grafts. So you need the hair transplant there. So for him, when you did the hair transplant, how many grafts transplant you chose? You can tell them. You can see and
2,500.
2,500.
Yes.
So what you felt before the transplant? What you felt? What was the need for the transplant?
আমার হেয়ারলাইন জাস্ট এই মাঝখানের এতটুকু ছিল,
Correct.
আর এই দুই সাইডে মানে এতটুকু উপরে উঠে গেছে দোনো সাইড থেকে। তো আমার জাস্ট নিডস ছিল যে আমি ট্রান্সপ্লান্টটা করাবো। আমার এই জায়গাগুলো ফিল আপ করানোর জন্য লাইন প্রপারলি অনেক জায়গায় দেখছি আমি, অন্যান্য অনেক হসপিটালের রিভিউ দেখছি, ইউটিউবে ফ্রেন্ডসদের সাথে শেয়ার করছে, ওরা সাজেস্ট করছে। তারপর নিজের মতো দেখছি, দেখার পরে অলমোস্ট সব যখন দেখছি, দেখার পরে আমার কাছে মনে হচ্ছে যে নিউ রুটসটাই বেটার। তারপরে এখানকার রিভিউ দেখছি অনেক, দেখার পরে এখানে আসছি, সবার সাথে কথাবার্তা বলছি, সার্ভিস খুব ভালো লাগছে আমার কাছে। ইভেন জাস্ট সার্জারি না, সার্জারির পরে যে আফটার সার্ভিসটা, যেমন হসপিটাল থেকে ফোন দিয়ে জিজ্ঞেস করা যে ঠিকভাবে সব কিছু আছে কি না, কীভাবে কী করতে হবে, হেড ওয়াশ কীভাবে করতে হবে, সব কিছুই বুঝায় বলছে, সব কিছু অল ওকে। তারপর পিআরপি ডেটের আগে যেমন আমি ভুলে গেলেও হসপিটাল থেকে আমাকে ফোন দিয়ে জানানো হয়েছে যে স্যার আপনার পিআরপি ডেট এখন। তো অল ওভার সার্ভিস গুড। আর রেজাল্টের কথা তো আমার ছবি, আগের ছবি এখনকার ছবি দেখলেই বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে আমার হেয়ার লাইন প্রপারলি ওকে। আর মোটামুটি ভালো রেজাল্ট, যেমন ফ্রেন্ড সার্কেলরা সবাই মোটামুটি বাসা থেকেও রিভিউ আসছে যে হ্যাঁ সার্জারি successful.
So in receding hairline, many of the clients you ask how many grafts we require. So in receding hairline, not more than 2,000 to 2,500 grafts are suggested, because in early age, extraction of too many grafts is really problematic in his future endeavor. So only 2,000, 2,500 grafts are really sufficient to give a good hairline. Never come down or make more lower your forehead. It should suit your face, because as your age increases, the hairline will be still stable. So you can see we have filled only the corners and just hairline, so that it looks very natural and it's very impressive. No one can recognize that he has done his hair transplant. That is the most important thing in hairline. Otherwise you have cloggy appearance, you have bumps. So that's again reducing your face value. So you can see that no one can make out that he has done his hair transplant unless you tell by yourself. So this is the good thing in hair transplant of receding hairline. And you can see even the density is very good. He has just completed his PRP. Almost I think 3 PRPs you have done, right?
Only two.
Only 2. So this is the second PRP he have done today. And even after the PRP also, looking just finished after the PRP, still the hair are wet, but still you can't make out, and the density is very much appreciable. So this is the important thing these youngsters need in your early ages from 23 to 30. Now I think he's almost satisfied. We'll ask him how much expenditure you spent in your hair transplant, blood test, after medication, how much you have spent. So we just want to tell all the audience that what was your expenditure in New Roots Hair Care in Dhaka.
Total cost is almost 60 to 65,000.
Okay. That was the surgery amount,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And what about your any other expenses other than this? Any expenses, major expenses?
No.
So you have to spend almost 2,000-3,000 taka for blood test initially.
Yes.
Then antibiotics 7 days for 1,000-2,000, and just minoxidil and finasteride tablets you need to take for a couple of months so that the result is good and you can maintain the existing hair also. So this was a fine story for receding hairline. If you have the receding hairline, you can contact to the clinic, you can send your pics, you can visit to the clinic, you can comment, you can ask more doubts. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye-bye.
So good.